Hi, I'm Tom Lovers. I'd like to introduce you to our TL-400. We actually manufactured this stove for the last 5 years, and we teamed up with Nature's Comfort down in Shipshewana, Indiana, who is building this stove for us. So we use a dry door system on this unit. There's actually 3 pieces of steel and 2 layers of insulation. So the temperature of this door is only about 10 degrees warmer than ambient during burning times. We have a engage for safety latch on this unit, so there's no way that this door can come down during loading. As soon as we start operating the handle on the door, these gas assist shocks are going to push the door to the open position. I'm going to grab the handle and pull down. That first little bit is when it's heavy. After that, the gas shocks take over, and now we're latched. The door cannot come down. Or we have a heat deflection plate. Behind this we have 2100 degree insulation. Then we have a 3-inch channel here that's filled with insulation also. A full gasket, woven gasket around the outside of the door to seal it off. And to bring the lid back down, we're just going to simply disengage the latch with our thumb, come back off to the side, and lower the door. This is a great feature on the TL-400. It's an actual float system. This rod is going to be about where we want to have our water level at all times. Now there's a cap on the top that has a hole on it to allow for expansion and contraction of the water. The really neat thing about this is, as this rod stays cold and any vapor water comes up this rod, it can't evaporate because it condensates back into water, comes into the system. So the water loss in this unit is minimal to zero. We're going to talk about how to pull the ash out of this unit, which is really simple. We used to use an auger in the past, but Dave designed this drawer, makes things very easy. We're going to simply unlatch the drawer and pull this all the way out. The ash lays in the pan. It has a handle, so we can simply dump the ash out. Slide it back in to get any more ash that may be in there. So there's also a grate system. It's a live bottom. On the other side of the stove is the blower that blows the air into this area. Now I'm going to pull one of the grates out. These are live bottom system on there. If you need to clean the grate out, you can simply reach in and pull these grates out. The dimensions of this door are 24 inches by 60 inches. Drop any log that'll fit into this unit. The actual firebox is 60 inches long and it's 46 inches in diameter. You see the chimney where it comes into the unit? The bottom of this unit is this live bottom we were talking about earlier with all the air comes in. Here's a shot of the access panel on the TL-400. What you'll notice right away is a Ranco digital aquastat. Very easy to control your temperature of your fire, raise and lower the limits. We also have a manual on-off switch, and you can use the plugs as a form of disconnect if you're going on vacation. We have our blower here in the bottom with a solenoid system that can never get stuck. This flapper is always going to fall down and there's not going to be a failure. We also have a shutter, a blast gate, where we can control how much air is going into the boiler. So in the wintertime we can be at full wide open, and as it gets warmer we can restrict the airflow into the unit. If you'll look up to the top, you'll see there's a couple of zones here. We can actually run 3 zones off this stove. These are return ports. It comes with an Armstrong pump, and this is 1 supply port, and there's 2 more supply ports located over here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on the TL-400. If you have any questions, please visit our website, thelogboiler.com, or you can call me. Area code 616-916-0900.